Harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony and today I'm going to be doing a bag unboxing, and the bag I'm going to be unboxing is by the brand Sinbono, and this is what their packaging looks like. The packaging of the box is literally everything. I love how it's marble. But yeah, I'm going to be unboxing this purse for you guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys because first of all, their bags are cruelty free and vegan, and they have like really good prices for their bags too, because usually with cruelty free bags and vegan bags, they be like really expensive, like really expensive. So with their prices and everything, and for it to be vegan, like, it's perfect. But yeah, so before I get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the Harmony, and click the bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. So let me show you guys the box again. It's so pretty. I love the design on it. Like, the box is not like the main focus obviously, but when it comes to the packaging, like, packaging is everything. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping this box like for storage or something. But let me open this up. So the bag does come with a dust bag, just in case if you don't want to keep the box, which is a really good idea because not everybody wants to keep the box. And yeah, I'm just gonna set this to the side. This is what the dust bag looks like in the back. Y'all probably don't care about that, but to me, like, every little detail counts. And once I open it up, this is what the bag looks like. This is the bag that I got. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And I love how it has the brand name Sinbono on it. And the name of this bag is the Drawstring Handbag, and it's in the color ivory. They have many different colors of this bag as well. And I'm just show you guys the sides of it too. Like, I love how it has this gold piece here. I just love this part of the bag, like the bottom of the bag. It really makes it look different. Also comes with a magnetic little button, which I prefer sometimes because, like, who has the time to like zip and unzip the whole time? So it just automatically comes off, then on. The gold hardware really got me because when it comes to gold, like, I love gold so much. Just gonna open this back up, and the bag does come with a strap. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with this strap, because I had also got another strap with it just in case like I don't feel like wearing this strap, because you can also just like wear this as a clutch or have like straps on it. All I'm gonna do is like put this like that and do the same thing on the other side. So this is what the bag looks like with the strap, and I really love the strap on this because y'all know this is in style. This is like giving me like Bottega type of vibes, you know. So yeah, I really love the strap on this. This is so cute. Like, I can just really see myself wearing it like this, and you can just like also wear it like this. And they have so many bags on their website that are like this but in different styles too, just in case if this is like not your type of style. This definitely can be like a Bottega dupe because this is so cute. Like, especially this part, like this part really got me. And I had also got another chain as well, just in case if I want to switch it up. So I took this chain off, gonna put it to the side. And the bag also comes with these so it doesn't smell inside. And what else came with this? I don't know what this is, but this is what the bag looks like inside. I love the color inside, and I also like how it has one pocket on one side, which is this side right here, and it's like a leather type of pocket, just like this type of material, but it's also inside of this. And it also has another pocket too, so you really have like a lot of space inside of this. I don't know if you guys could see it. It has one pocket on this side and one pocket on the other side. And just the inside of it is like gray, and I just love how the colors coordinate together. And this is the other chain that I got with it. I love this chain so much. Like for me personally, I would most likely wear this chain instead of the other chain, just because I love gold, and I feel like this chain will look way better for like different outfits. And you know, it's like really versatile. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And as you can see, it's like a good quality chain. Like it's a little bit heavy, but it's like a good quality heavy, and it's not like a cheap type of chain at all. So yeah, this is really cute, really my type of style. And it was honestly hard for me to choose which bag I wanted to get, because all their bags are literally so cute and like so dainty, so minimalistic, so chic. And yeah, and let me show you guys the stitching on this as well. Look at the stitching on the bottom, really cute. And on the sides again. I can really see myself wearing this one all the time, just because I love the gold chain on it. And you can also wear this as a clutch, like I said earlier. And one of the main things I also like is that the chains are detachable, so you don't even have to wear this bag with this chain. You can switch the chain up with a different bag that you may have. But yeah, everything about this bag is cruelty free and vegan, 100% vegan. And you can wear this for all different types of seasons. It's not for like one specific season. You can wear this in the fall, winter, spring, summer, doesn't matter. And their colors on their website is like perfect. They have like a jade type of green and blue and black, pink, a violet, purple. And I'm gonna also show you guys where you can fit inside of this bag as well. So let me open it back up. And first things, who's calling? FaceTime call. Oh my gosh, everybody's blowing my phone up today. So first I'm just gonna put my wallet and my keys inside. Then I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer. Then I'm gonna put a travel size lotion inside. I'm just putting the little quick necessities that you may need in your bag. Then I'm just gonna add some lip gloss too. Put it in a pocket. Basically your everyday necessities that you may need. And as you can see, there's still so much space inside, and you know, I'll just show you guys like some of the main things that you may need and how much could fit inside. But yeah, there's still enough space. So let me just shut this and show you guys. And it's not even like a heavy feeling at all with it. Like the chain gives it like a little bit more weight, but it still feels lightweight. As you can see, it looks like this. It's so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, like it even looks so cute with this outfit. Like, oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Wow, this is so cute. Really matches my outfit for today. So minimalistic. It's like a really good everyday bag that you can wear. And they also give me a coupon code for you guys, which is Symphony T. You guys can get 20% off your whole entire purchase on their website. I'll leave the link in the description box down below and the coupon code right here. Make sure you guys go check out Sinbono. They really have cute, affordable vegan luxury type of bags, minimalistic type of bags that are really in style, really trendy. And yeah, so that is all for today's video. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions, what you guys think about this bag. Let me know what type of bags are your favorite. Do you guys like wearing like small bags, big bags? Let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.